Hello everybody, welcome back to my third video. And Mr. Pikachu's not here because she's at home. Well, right now, last time there was a storm, there was wind, but now there's gonna be another storm. This might look like a severe thunderstorm watch, not a warning, a watch. Now there's starting to be a little bit of wind. And they're starting to rain a little bit. Just a little bit, just a few drops just seem dropped. And now starting to get windy. I don't know, but there might be 60-mile-per-hour winds. Now starting. Oh, it's starting. Guys, right now the storm is starting. For here, the storm starts with just wind, and then the rain comes, heavy rain, and then lightning, and then all of that goes to reverse. Alright, I just came from school like 10 minutes ago, and I was in a rush to come here because of this. So now, right now, it's starting to get windy outside. Right now there might be 30-mile-per-hour winds. No, probably 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Whew. But this is just the start. This is just the start. There might be more wind in the future. Alright, so we're just here. Sorry. Work. Right here. Right here over work. Alright, there. Now you can see the storm a little bit here. When it's starting to come, this is the highest winds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now it's getting dark. And this is the start of it. This is just the start of it. We're now 2 minutes until the beginning of the storm, and when it rains, it's starting. It used to be clear skies, but now we're covered up. This might take an hour. You might hear lightning, very, very loud lightning. Oh my gosh, I feel bad for that male person who is experiencing in a storm. In the right, you'll see a mail truck. She normally delivers mail here. Now, I think she's getting out and going to her house. Oh my gosh, look. Right there. Look at that. Over there's a male person I think is getting out. It just got out. Oh, I feel so bad for her. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. Let's go watch it. It's starting. Oh, there's a car. Okay, she just walked out. Now it's starting to rain a little bit. Let me feel the wind. Let me see how windy it is. Oh. Alright, I can hear the wind. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting. It's starting. It's starting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I have to get out the window. I have to get out the window. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. And if there's a warning, then there'll be more wind than this. Oh. Oh, I cannot survive going out there. Well, I can, but I'll be so scared. Oh, alright. It's starting to rain, and it's starting to get more windier. This has got to be 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. This is 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. There's debris hitting the window. And this is just the beginning of the rain. There's gonna be more rain, or I think this is all the rain. In the last thunderstorm, there was 16-mile-per-hour wind, but not wind gusts, real wind. Like there might 120-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That was the last storm. It was so windy. There was a little bit of damage in my house. And right now it's March. I don't know why it's so windy, raining. Or just wait. Alright, I'm back, and it's starting. It may not look it here in the camera, but it is raining a lot. Right now I got some spaghetti with meatballs here. I like them. The wind, we'll open one window to check. Oh, it's raining. Oh. There's a male person here. The breeze is not hitting anymore. When the wind starts to pick up, it's gonna hit the window. Oh. If there's wind, it looks like we're in a hurricane. This is a normal, everyday storm with wind, rain, and thunderstrike. It's not been 8 minutes and it's already starting. When the rain stops, I'll end the video. And when I hit 10,000 subs, and whenever hurricane it hits here or tropical storm, I'm gonna live stream it. All the hurricane starting from the edge of the hurricane to the eye wall, and then back to the edge of the hurricane. The outside. May not look, but over there, down there, there's wind. But here, no. Just gotta wait for the wind. Starting. It's just normal. The wind is starting. Not bad. Right now there's supposed to be 30-mile-per-hour wind gust. It's now 10 minutes into the video. Oh. 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 Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna walk out for a bit. Never mind. Wait, let me just. Now it's just normal rain. I don't think there's actually a severe storm afterwards. No, I believe it's just a severe thunderstorm watch. Because it looked very strong, the clouds. Very, very big. Just might last for 1 hour. Wind. There's debris hitting the window. There's debris stuck in my window. I think this is just a weak storm. Oh, just a very, very weak storm. No lightning. I think it's just wind and rain. Just a rain and windstorm. That's all. No lightning. Alright, so when it stops raining, I'm gonna end the video. Oh, the mail is coming. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you like the storm and the 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and subscribe so you can see more stuff like this, more windstorm, rainstorm, and lightning storm, any of those things, and hurricanes. Alright, hope you like it. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next storm. Bye.